Fabian Martinez. Are you ready to be an operator today? What do we got here today? We got some 12 gauge bird shot. We got some 1 ounce slugs for y'all. Got some buck. Some more bird shot. Operator status. YouTube operator shit.
We hot now. Let's do it.
Double out buckshot. What do you got to say about this?
See how it goes.
One ounce slugs.
Woo. I saw fire from slugging.